Mentri rang ba kajala Meghalaya konrad kes sangma ulaong bakan don kajingwat lat watlenti halor kajingya keren ban penrung ya wei na pedeng ki MLA ke PDF ki bala penyeso sya ke NPP ke janmi jong henry tare ujemmang arja arpulai haka kunhul menteri ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 halor ki jingkeli halor ke kaiphod kubor ban weng ya ke United Democratic Party na ke sarkar MDA 2 u konrad ulaong bakindang wat lat watlenti henry kampat dei ke por ke babiang ban keren AA badan hab ban pechwai bagi kam ki yat kumno halor ke jingkeli bahadian ke election soyong ke UDP kalak bandu ke wei kesuki menteri ke sarkar u konrad ulaong ban pech haki por ban wan bad ya mentahi kampat long ban keren AA ulaong ru bagi don ki sengi bakan thok palat wat habai trei lang ru
the role of MLAs, they will be inducted in, any one of them will be inducted in the government.
As I had made it clear to everybody that we have multiple roles that we need to work in. We are working towards ensuring that their capacity is used in the governance process as well as in the party process. So definitely all options will be explored.
The reports that UDP will be out and they will be inducted. So
we are exploring all options. So it's not the correct time for me to say anything on this. We'll see as things go. But right now we are, as I said, we are happy that they have joined in. And as I said, we are keen to see that they play a more constructive role in the overall governance and as well as in the party.
Post Soyong poll, is there any chances that UDP may lose one cabinet?
No, we'll see as the time comes. So we're not, as I said, it's not proper for me to say anything right now. So we are examining all the options. But as I said, that right now it's too early to say anything.
you have been working against them during your campaign. So what is the reason?
I didn't take anybody's name. I said some parties. I mean, you are presuming certain parties, but that's your presumption. I've simply said in my statements, I've said certain parties.